In today's video I will model this room. I took this reference from Pinterest and let's get started. So I deleted the default cube to create another cube. This is the classic user of a blender, but now I need to turn this cube into a room. So what I would do is delete this, and now I'm gonna select a modifier, and I think I need to use solidify subdivision surface. Solidify, yeah. Complex, no, some thickness. I hope this is gonna be now okay. No, it's still crooked. Even thickness. Now, it's good that I saw this because I was testing out how to make like simple shape like this. I was testing out how to make a simple shape like this, and like I couldn't figure out why this like solidify did not work. So I did not check even thickness. So this is a thing to actually check, to have even thickness across all the mesh. Now I'm gonna make this. Okay. I'm not pro whatsoever. I know a thing or two about Blender, but this is not like a traditional tutorial. It's more like a process video. So for myself and for maybe you to learn something new with Blender. I hope this is entertaining. I'm nervous as hell because recording videos for me is like pretty nerve-wracking sometimes. So okay, now I need to make a window. So how would I do that? I go into a mesh. First I need to make a shape of the window, and then I can actually do this. So we'll go into a simple cube. Yeah, it's gonna work. Always use a simple cube. Okay, this is snapping. Okay. Now I'm just gonna try to GX. Yes. I'm just gonna make it taller. Okay. Now I'm thinking to actually take these corners, not corners, but like edges, and like oh, first I need to do this. Then like take this up and like this, I think. Yeah. Okay, and now oh, I can actually lift this up. Just do this, go up. Just trial and error, it's all good. Intersect, difference. Wait, I'm trying to remember how to use Boolean modifier at the moment. Okay. I think I need to solidify. This has solidify on it. Maybe it's Boolean and I need to select this one. Oh yeah, right. So I need to actually take this up. No, this was wrong. No, if I applied this. Okay, I need to apply solidify. Cannot go around this now. Okay. Okay, now we have an actual window in this. And now when I still have this shape, so I can just take and go into an edit mode and like can actually make it so that more of an outside. What do I do now? That's the question. How do I make this? Maybe I can make like a window where maybe I can like make it like this, I guess. Just make it thin. And for now, I can just go in. And as well, I have an asset library. So guys, if you want some materials, I will put them onto my Gumroad page. I have some materials that are very simple. I can give these ones for free, so you can download them. So how do we work is that I just go in. I need a light because I cannot see anything. It's an area light. Okay, good. Just gonna make it bigger and put an exposure up. Okay. Just make it like this. Maybe rotate. I'll rotate it. Okay. It's gonna the light is gonna shine through. So how do I do this is just select cycles and GPU compute. Okay, just put this on, and this is a glass texture. So this is pretty cool. Made this myself. If you want a tutorial of how to make this, I can make it, but maybe sometime later. So this is our reflection. Of course, I have frosted glass too. Oh, it's like frosted. Oh, this looks even better. This looks so good, actually. Damn. So I'm gonna keep this, I think, and then we'll add like these rims of the window later on. For now, I just want to make simple shapes. Okay, we have a bigger shape. This table. So we'll be able to make this table, I think. Or do we do these? I'll do the paintings. I think it's gonna be more simple. Just a simple video of me modeling. This can be a series, actually, I think. No, I don't want to delete it. Just pressing different things. I'm trying to do this out of my memory and like use more of my muscle memory, actually, to just put these model, I mean. Okay, so now I have different paintings. And the thing is with modeling, like if you have a reference photo, you can like, of course you can do one of that reference photo as learning, but you can actually take just a inspiration from it. Like you don't have to like make it one to look good. Now, yeah, I just put them where I wanted, and in this photo it looks different, but it's just a reference. Okay, I will want to make this. Okay, these are like canvases. Oh, I see this this shelf. I can make this shelf, actually. So how about I go about like making shelves is I do this. Okay. Make a loop cuts across. Be like center. Maybe if I like try to match this. Like, yeah, like this. I can actually see it better. I can just try to be like roughly like accurate. Okay, this is too thin. I think this is good. No. Something looks off. Oh, I think it's because this face is like forward. Okay. Maybe it would be better if I just do this. Okay, so now we have a shelf, which is pretty good. Now we can look how the scene looks. Okay, it's pretty good. I'll just need to add an easel, some canvases too. Just make it like cohesive. Okay, I can just like copy this and make them like bigger. Drop it. Just rotate. Okay, still I rotated, but okay. Just it's not keeping the same position when I rotate. How did I not learn from my mistake? Oh, this is now not straight. Okay. Okay. Just want it to be okay, that's good. Bring it down. Okay. And I'll just make it so it clicks to the face. Okay, that's good. Okay, so we have some objects here. That's pretty good. Okay, I can actually tweak this. It's pretty nice. I can actually add a bevel on this. Just add a bevel modifier to make edges a bit softer, not too much, of course. With offset. Okay. Just a little bit, not too much. Shade auto smooth. And now when I turned on this view, it's a bit better. Okay, it looks alright. But this was part 2 of mini series of making this room, and thank you so much for watching. And if you want these materials for free, just write to the comments. And on the next video, I will upload them and you can download them and use them. It's like 8 materials. So once again, thank you for watching.